My name's Catherine Dixon. I'm doing the oral competency of the skeletal system for my class. Up on the skull, we start with the frontal bone, two parietal bones, your occipital bone here in the back. You have your temporal bone on either side, your sphenoid on either side. And here, kind of in your orbits, you have your lacrimal bones, your zygomatic bones, your nasal bones, two of those, your ethmoid, your vomer, and your inferior nasal concha right here. You have your maxilla, it's made up of two bones right here, and your mandible, which is your jawbone, and up in here is your palatine. You have 7 cervical vertebrae. The first one is atlas, the second one is axis, 12 thoracic vertebrae, 5 lumbar vertebrae, your sacrum, and your coccyx, which is your tailbone. You have your 2 scapula here. You have 2 clavicles here. Not pictured here is your hyoid bone. It doesn't attach to any other bone. It would be hanging out up here in your neck. So your 2 clavicles, you have your sternum, which is made up of your manubrium, the body of the sternum, and the xiphoid process. Your suprasternal notch is up here. You have 12 pairs of ribs, so you have 12 on either side. You have your humerus here, your ulna, which is what attaches to your humerus to form your elbow. Your radius is here on top. So starting here with the hands, with the carpal bones, starting on the thumb side, we have our scaphoid, our lunate, and our triquetrium, or the triangle bone. You have your pisiform above that, your hamate, your capitate, your trapezoid, and your trapezium. You have 5 metacarpals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5 proximal phalanges, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 4 intermediate phalanges, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you have 5 distal phalanges, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, returning back over here, you have your hip bone, which is made up of this whole area. This is your ilium, your iliac crest, so your ilium on both sides. You have your ischium, which are these right here, and your pubis in front. Your 2 pubis form together. You have your femur, your patella, your fibula is the small bone, the tibia is your bigger bone here. Your calcaneus is your heel bone, and then you have your talus, your navicular bone, your cuboid, and then you have your cuneiform. So you have your medial cuneiform, your intermediate cuneiform, and your lateral cuneiform. You have 5 metatarsals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5 proximal phalanges, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 4 intermediate phalanges, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you have 5 distal phalanges, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.